chance to help stir it together. All right, we're going to cheer on our classmates as we go. All right, so first step, I'm going to put the spoon down. Take the leaves out one at a time and kind of rip them up gently and drop them into the bowl. That's the first step.
So just take one or two at a time, guys. Just one or two at a time.
Rip
them up. You gotta rip.
You ready?
Rip.
So one thing at a time, and we're gonna try to rip it up a little bit just to make our lives a little easier for when we're 5. Pass, and we want to kind of gently stir. Gently stir.
Gently start going to
Yeah.
circle.
3, 4, 5. It's like soup.
It's gonna be like soup, exactly.
2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, it smells like avocado.
It smells kind of interesting. Interesting. It's
When you smash the avocado.
and as it gets more, as we get toward the end, I'll have you all smell it so that you can kind of get a sense of the smell that comes through.
Ew, that's gross.
All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. You want to pass it on? There we go.
It smells so
1,
interesting.
2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. You see, is it starting to feel mushed up a little bit more?
I was stem. Here is about his stem. Here's a wet stem. Oh! You smushed it. She smushed it. Guys, she smushed the toilet.
Olive oil is going to give us a little bit of the texture and thickness to it, and also some of the flavor. And at the end, I have peas and carrots that we're going to be able to dip. All right. And I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper for flavor.
Salt and
Mark, can you sit down, please? Be safe.
Oh, that's better. Cool.
And then some oil.
Because I'm breaking it.
All right.
Yeah.
And we're going to stir it together.
Steady, not stir. Not stir.
1, 2, 3, pick. Okay, grab it.
We're good.
Take it. Hold on to your carrot. Watch.
Yep.
You take your carrot and
And
you
you get one dip because we don't want to do double dips since we're all sharing together. What do you think? Oh, go ahead.
This is so spicy.
Sit in if you want to try it.
It looks like baby food on a carrot. I want to do more.
And then we're going to dip so you all can try it. And just try not to eat it over your shirt, please.
I'm going to try to pee first. I haven't eaten pee. No double dips.
No double dips. One dip. One dip, everybody.
Huh?
No, what? What? Wait, you guys forgot to count for me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All right, there we go. Thank you.